Hello दोस्तों, welcome to our channel Study with Dhananjay. In this channel, we are going to study about the fourth syllabus of maths and science both. But now let us continue an experiment. In this experiment, we were testing the presence of proteins and starch in some day-to-day eating things. So this is the part 4th, the part 1st, 2nd, 3rd. I have tested the protein are present or not. The links of the part 1st, 2nd, 3rd is given in the description box below. So now let's get started. First I will tell you what the apparatus you need. You will need a knife, iodine solution and a clean spatula. Then you will be needing a potato, some milk, then cooked rice paste, groundnut paste, coconut paste and uncooked powdered rice paste, tur dal paste, mangoes paste and the tinda or apple grounds paste. And then to conduct this test, you will be using a dropper. Fill it with iodine solution, and now I will be cutting this cutted potato. And when you see the liquid part, put some of the iodine solution on it. Then let it sit for a few seconds. At that time we will taste the another substances. Now let's just test, is there starch in the milk or not? 1 and 2 drops. 3 drops will be also okay. And then now I will be testing cooked rice paste. And then I will be seeing groundnut paste. Now I will refill the dropper, and then we will be seeing coconut paste. Then we will see uncooked powdered rice paste. Then we will see tur dal, uncooked tur dal. And now we will let them all sit, Meanwhile, we will be doing the test for mango and tinda or the apple gourd. Now we will let all of them sit like this for a few seconds. And after a few seconds, I will show you what the results will be. After a few seconds, now you can see the results. First, the potato. As you can see, the iodine solution has changed its color. It has turned blue-black in the color. Then we will see milk. Milk, no starch present. A little bit of starch present. Then we will see the cooked rice. Wow, the color is a lot of blue-black in color. A lot of starch present. And then the groundnut, as you can see, it has darkened in color. A little bit of starch present. In this also you can see it is having a dark black blue color. Somewhere over here it is also having some starch present in a little bit of the quantity. Wow, the uncooked rice is also, oh my god. As you can see, as I mixed it, it totally went black from white. It has a lots of starch present. And then tur dal. As you can see at the dal surface, over here you can also see the black spots have appeared. Some little bit of black spots are there on the dal surface. So it means a little bit of this starch is present. Then you will see the mango. Yeah, in the mango, let me add some few more drops of the iodine solution into the mango to make it more clear. We will see the mango later now because we have added a new solution. Meanwhile, we will see the tinda. As you can see, the tinda in the center is a little bit of blue black, so there is some starch present. Some starch present or no starch is present in the tindas. Now after some seconds, mango also has no starch in it. Now friends, now you will be saying how I know is the starch present in a large amount of quantity or a little bit of quantity. So to know that, you just need to see the results carefully. As you can see in the case of potato, there is a dark black color. Or in the case of cooked rice and uncooked rice powder, it is also having a dark blue-black color. But in the case of the coconut, you will be able to see a little bit of dark blue, a little bit of blue-black color. Or in the turda, you will be seeing that the water has changed its color a little bit to the blue-black. Or you can see on the surface of the turda that it also has a little bit amount of black spots. It means that there is a little bit amount of starch in the turda. But as you can see in the milk or in the mango, that the color of the iodine didn't even change. It means that the starch is not present or is present in a very little amount, which is present in a very little amount or is absent. So friends, our experiment is done. In the next video, I will be conducting an experiment on how to see fat in this same products, how to do the tests of fat. So if you want to see which food item contains fat, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press on the bell icon. And thanks. Bye.